Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ngayon ay September 15, 2020. Kumusta po kayong lahat? And today we will review, as usual, the stock, the companies that the stock price is above the all exponential moving averages. But before that, we will go to PCI. We will check our PCI today. What is the price action? For PCI? So we'll check. So let's go to the PCI chart. This is our this is the technical charts of PCI. So now I'm using Bollinger Band. I will try to use this Bollinger Band. So now PCI is above AB20. This the center line is the AB20. So we will put our inclined resistance. Still our PCI is in the resistance area. The MACD is now above the signal line, but based on the today's performance of the PCI, so it is good because he closes above 5,997.14. So we'll see tomorrow if we can break this inclined resistance, and if we can break it, we will see on this location, on this resistance area. The next resistance area is in this area. Okay, if PCI will break, we can break it tomorrow. If we can close above 6,018.21, there's a possibility that PCI will go to this area. But if it cannot break, so we will see another retracement of PCI. Maybe we went from this location. So we will hoping that PCI can break this resistance. So now let's go to the stock price, the companies that the price is above on the all exponential moving averages. So we will see the companies. Nasa yung mga presyo ay nasa taas ng exponential moving averages. So this is the screener for today. So we will screen the stock na nasa lahat ng exponential moving averages. So ito yung EMA20. So if yes, it means it is above EMA20. If yes, it's above AME 50, AME 100, and AME 200. So let's start with the ASIN. We have 9 companies. It's already in overbought. One of these is the LHC, AP, B Course in PF, D2, Eagle, GSMI, SPC, and TAGS. TUGS. So that is already in overbought uh, level, above 70. So ito yung mga stock na nasa taas ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. Today, September 15, may pumasok na bago yung RFM at saka SM. Yung SM. So now we'll see it. We're going back to the chart. We will check ASIN. So ASIN ay down ng 6.46% ngayon. So wait, ASIN going back to May 20. For now, we don't have a buying opportunity for ASIN. Next one, we have EPC, EPL. EPL, wala tayong buying signal based on the candle. So we will see in next trading day. We'll see it tomorrow. But for now, we don't have. EPX. EPX is in the resistance area. If EPX tomorrow, if it can break, it can close above 1.62. There is a possibility that EPX will go to 1.67 or 1.7. So if EPX will close above 1.62 tomorrow, but if EPX will close 1.56, there's a possibility that they will hit in this area. Okay. Next one is ARIT. ARIT now is in the AMA 20. So if ARIT will close tomorrow above 25.7, there is a possibility that ARIT will going back to this resistance 25.86. But take note, malapit lang ito, no? So the risk reward ay kaunti lang. So we'll see tomorrow. Next one, BC. See BC. Now is in the AME 20. Okay. But still there's no buying signal for BC. BCB. BCB still within wala pa rin. BRN BRN, for me, we will wait BRN to climb on this location. Okay, this area. Kasi malapit lang yung ano, yung resistance. So if BC will go into this area, mag-hold siya, so we will see. Now, wala muna tayo dyan sa BRN. CHP. CHP, no? We'll wait CHP going to a May 20. So there's no buying opportunity for CHP. For call, COL, financial. Now, we need call financial to going back to AMI 20. DIG, this one. For this one, okay. So we need this one to close above 7.84 or 7.85. So there's a possibility that this will go to this location, this blue line. Emperador, Emperador is still in the EME 20. If Emperador tomorrow he will close above 9.95, so there's a possibility that this one he will go to 10.924. But if we will close 9 point below 9.89, there is a retracement for Emperador. So now you see the MACD, it's below the zero line, the signal line. So RDX is above 25, MACD is below zero line. So there is a consolidation for this stock. So tomorrow it will close above 9.95. So maybe there is a short rally of Emperador up to 10.95. But based on the technical evaluation or fundamental evaluation of Emperador, the current price is higher than the per value. So it's recommended to sell. So you need to see Emperador because it is recommended to sell because the fair value is lower than the current price. FGIN. So if FGIN will maganda naman yung ano ni FGIN ngayon, but we need FGIN to break this incline resistance. Okay. FNI. So FNI, so yesterday the high price of FNI is 1.29. So now it closed below 1.29. So now 1.26. So we will expect FNI to retrace in this area. Okay, but still he is in above the AMI 20. So we will see in the AMI 20. Green. If you see green, okay, EDX is above 25, but we need green to going back to EME 20. So malayo siya sa EME 20. So we will wait if there is a retracement of green. Now next, ICT. ICT, nasa resistant area. So we'll see if ICT can break this resistance. If there is a pullback, so this is a good opportunity. But now, nasa resistant yung ICT. Yung MACD is still below the signal line. Okay. Next, IRC. IRC, check out IRC if he will going back to AMA 20. Now he's in retracing now. So we'll see. Check if he going back to AMA 20. And if there is a reversal candle, so it's good. But now, keep away because it is going down. Okay, MACD is also taper down. LBC, LBC, no buying signal for LBC. LC, okay. LC, if he will close tomorrow above 0.148, so there's a possibility that he will going back to this resistance, 0.158 or 0.159. But if he will close below 0.146, expect LC to go down. Now, EDX above 25, MACD is below the signal line. So, there's no buying opportunity for LC, except he will close above 0.148. Makai, Makai, there's no buying opportunity for Makai. Mirimark. Mirimark now is in the AMA 20. So we need Mirimark to close above 3.07. Now it's closing 3.03. So if he will close below 2.98, so we'll expect Minimark will going down on the support here. So Minimark we need to close above 3.07. Now MACD is attempting to crossing up to the signal line. So just monitor this MN. Okay, but the Bollinger Band is now lumiliit yung Bollinger Band. So there is a two decision here, either going up or going down. Next one is MPI. Yung MPI, okay, wait for the retracement of MPI. Next one, MRC. MRC is going sideways. Now MACD is below the below the signal line. So there's no opportunity for MRC, MWC, Manila Water, EDX is above 25, MACD is closing down. So need to take care of this stock. Because now, pababa yung MACD, mataas yung ating EDX, nasa 28. Based on the price action, wala pa rin tayong nakikita na buying signal of Manila Water Company. So we will see tomorrow kung bubalik yung MACD going up. So it's good. And there is signal candle. It's good for Manila Water. But now, wala pa. Inay. Ito yung nihaw. Ito yung mining na companies na tumataas. Nihaw, no buying signal now. MACD is closing down. Mataas yung EDX. Nickel. Si nickel, if nickel will close above 3.17, so there's a possibility nickel will go to this resistance, blue line. But if nickel will close below 3.06 tomorrow, nickel will have a chance na mag-fall back ito sa my blue line. And we will see the MACD here, it's closing down. Bumuka ka yung MACD. And EDX is above 29. So we will see tomorrow. It is closing above 3.17. So it's good for nickel. Now, so now ay nag-attempt ng mag-break kanina sa may resistant area. So kami naman naka-supit nito kanina. Umabot ng 2.55. So now we will wait now to retrace the MA20. Nasa resistant area siya. We will see our MACD. MACD ay nasa taas pa naman ng zero line. And EDX is above 34. So strong po yung ng now. But now, we need to see if there is a pullback on this support. Kasi nasa resistance ngayon, baka bumabalik. So we need to take care. PX. CPX, we need to wait PX going back to MA20. ROX. Si Ruhas Holding. Ruhas Holding, we don't have a buying signal. RHI. Si Robinson's Retail. Okay, kung titingnan natin yung EDX ay 40. MACD is now closing down. So the momentum is going down. So we need to see what's the next action of RSI. But for now, momentum is going down. So we'll see if there is a bounce in EMA20. SM. For SM, we need to see if there's a pullback of SM. So mataas na ngayong araw. So now, LHC. Napakataas na ng LHC. So it's not required to buy anymore kasi mataas na. So we need to wait for a pullback of let's see, PT is at last consolidated mining. So we need to wait going back to MA20. B-Core, okay, the same with B-Core. So mataas na po yung ano diyan. So we need to wait for fallback. CNPF, CNPF now nagre-release papunta sa MA20. So monitor this CNPF. Next one dito. Okay, si dito yung MACD ay pointing upward yung MACD. But sa RSI, ito po ay overbought. So, mayroon po akong share nito. Hindi ko pa na binitawan kasi nag-close pa naman siya sa Bollinger Band. So, we will see. Tomorrow, we will go inside. So, this is the next action we need to uh, see. But now, it's closing above the Bollinger Band. So, I hold it. And I will see tomorrow what is the next price action of dito. Eagle. Eagle ay tumama sa MA20, yung candle kanina. So if Eagle will close tomorrow above 14.20, so it's good for Eagle. But if he will close below 12.68, so there's a possibility this Eagle will go down. Now, hindi pa maganda pasukin si Eagle. No? We need the candle going near to MA20. MACD now is pointing down. So siguro marami nang nag-take profit. So predicts above 48. So we need to see Eagle. We need to monitor this Eagle because it's retracing to MA 20. DSMI. Nebra San Miguel. Okay, it's retracing, no? We need to see here near the MA 20. But for now, no buying opportunity. Napakataas ng Nebra San Miguel. So SPC. SPC is going sideways. Check MA20 kasi malayo pa sa MA20, no? Now our DX is above 56, napakataas yung DX. Now MACD is tempting to going down. So tingnan natin kung bumabalik pa yung MACD pataas. But for now, wait if there is a good buying opportunity of SPC. Now we need to have dogs. Okay, the same with dogs. We need to wait for the retracement. Now I think there is a chance to retrace because it is inside the Bollinger Band. So always check MA20. Now we will see there is one company is retracing this PEI. So check out PEI. Papunta na sa mga EMA 20. But if MACD is crossing down, so iba na yun, no? We will see MACD is above the signal line. And if there is a candle hitting the MA20, this is the one we need to monitor. So that's all for the stock na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. And if you have comments, that the stock that you need to review, just put in the comments box, and we will discuss and we will share our knowledge in the stock market. Okay, this is the only way that we can improve our trading strategy. You can share your knowledge also. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and God bless us all.